Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Students, read the following sentences aloud with me. Sentence number 1. I write this letter to please you. Sentence number 2. I wrote the letter in his presence. Number 3. I shall write another letter tomorrow. In sentence 1, the verb write refers to present time. Present time means our routine works on today. In sentence 2, the verb wrote refers to past time. Past time means the time that passed away or yesterday. And in sentence 3, the verb shall write refers to future time. Future time means the time that will come or tomorrow. It simply means that a verb may refer to present time, past time, or future time. A verb that refers to present time is said to be in the present tense. A verb that refers to past time is said to be in the past tense. And a verb that refers to future time is said to be in the future tense. There are three main tenses: the present, the past, and the future. Students, the tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. Okay? Now, according to the actions of ours, these three tenses are further divided into simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Okay, students? And today I shall be teaching you present simple tense. Students, I told you that present means relating to now or current. We use present simple tense to talk about general truths or facts, as the sun rises in the east. Present simple tense is also used to talk about habits, as I play badminton every Tuesday. Okay, students? It is also used for future timetables, as our train leaves at 9 a.m. The next use it for permanent situations, as he works in a bank. It is also used for newspaper headlines, as a man enters space. And the last, it is also used for telling stories, as suddenly the window opens and a masked man enters. Here I have told you some of the different ways of using present simple tense. Now here is the sentence structure of present simple tense. Look, at first we use the subject, then verb, and then object. Subject is the doer of the action, verb is our action, and the object is receiver of action. As we have three forms of verb, first form, second form, and third form, so here in present simple tense we use first form of verb, that is also called the base form. Okay? Students, when we make the sentences of present simple tense, so we also give the addition of s, es or ies with the verb, and that addition depends upon the subject we use. Students, we use noun and subject pronoun at the start of our sentence. Noun means any of the name, and the subject pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. I said that the addition of s, es or ies with the verb depends upon our subject. Look, The one who talks is called first person. The one whom we talk with is called second person. And the one whom we talk about is called third person. Okay, students, here in subject pronoun, I is first person singular, we is first person plural, you is second person, and it is singular and plural both. Because we use pronoun you for single person, and we can also use pronoun you for many persons. Okay? And he, she, it are third person singular, as he is used for boy, she is used for girl, and it is normally used for animals and non-living things. The last subject pronoun they is used for third person plural. Alright? Now look, if we use first person or second person as subject, so we use first form of verb in a sentence as I love my family. We play cricket. You swim well. And if we use third person singular as subject, so we give the addition of s, es or ies with first form of verb as he studies in class 8. She watches movie with her friends and it looks so pretty. Students, remember that we don't give any addition with third person plural they. Okay? And if we talk about noun as subject, so with single noun we give addition and with plural nouns we don't. For example, Madiha learns English and my cousins go to office together. In sentence 1, I have given addition of s because I have used single name, and in sentence 2, I have used first form of verb without any addition because I have used plural noun. Okay? Students, I told you that we give the addition of s, es, ies with third person singular. But do you know those verbs with which we give the addition? Let me tell you that if our verb ends with ss, ch, sh, x, o, so we give the addition of es as shown in the picture. Okay? And when the verb ends with consonant plus y, we drop the y and add ies as shown in the picture on the slide. And we add s to all the other verbs as shown in picture on your slide. Coming back to the sentence structure of present simple tense, let me tell you that how can we change the sentences into negative and interrogative. To change the affirmative sentence into negative, we use do not or does not before the first form of verb, as the sentences are my friends talk to the principal, she passes the test with good marks. Look, the sentence in which the verb has no addition, there we use do not as my friends do not talk to the principal, and the sentence in which verb has addition, so there we use does not, and remember that after using does not we remove the addition from the verb as she does not pass the test with good marks. Okay? And to make interrogative sentence we simply use do or does at the start of the sentence as do my friends talk to the principal? And does she pass the test with good marks? Students, remember that we use question mark at the end of interrogative sentence. Okay? Now look at these sentences which are given on your slide. Affirmative sentence is I walk. Negative is I don't walk. And interrogative is do I walk? Students, here don't is the contraction of do not. You can also write do not in place of don't. Okay? The next sentence is you walk. The negative is you don't walk. And interrogative is do you walk? Sentence number 3 is he walks. Now look, he is third person singular. So here we have given the addition of s with the verb. Okay, and the negative will be he doesn't walk. Doesn't is the contraction of does not. You can also use does not in place of doesn't. Okay, and look, after using doesn't or does not, we have removed the addition from the walk. Okay, the interrogative is does he walk? Alright, the next sentence is she walks. She is third person singular. The negative is she doesn't walk. And interrogative is does she walk? The next sentence is it walks. The negative is it doesn't walk. Here we are using doesn't because it is also third person singular. Okay, and the interrogative sentence is does it walk? The next is we walk. Negative we don't walk. And interrogative is do we walk? The next sentence is you walk. Negative is you don't walk. And interrogative is do you walk? The last sentence is they walk. Negative is they don't walk. And interrogative is do they walk? Look, did you notice one thing? We have put question mark at the end of interrogative sentences. Okay, because these are questions. At the end of interrogative sentences, we always put question mark. Okay, students? It was all about present simple tense, and I really hope that you all have understood it very well. Okay, now here is your assignment. Your question number 1 is write your routine. I told you that present simple tense also used for telling our habits. So write your routine means you will have to write all those works which you do in your routine or which are your habits. Okay. Question number 2 is change into negative and interrogative sentences. Now what you will have to do in this sentence, I have given you affirmative sentences and you will have to use do not or does not to make the sentences negative, and you will have to use do or does at the start of the sentence to make these sentences interrogative. Okay, and the third question is use correct verb to complete the sentences. Add s, es or ies where required. Students, I have given 10 sentences and I have given 10 verbs as well. You will have to put correct verb in the correct sentence. Okay? And yes, you will have to add s, es, ies where required. It means if I have used third person or single name in the sentence, so you will have to add s, es or ies with the verb. Okay, students? Thank you.